Moving on, email query. G. Shivaramakrishna has written in, says he's purchased an under construction property 3 years ago from the Prestige Group. He will get possession in another 3 months and he plans to sell the property. Now he has deducted the 1% TDS as needed and has paid the remaining amount to the developer. Now, does the buyer need to deduct the 1% TDS from the payment that will be made to Mr. Shivaramakrishna? So, if he's selling it again, is there the TDS to be paid?
So, TDS in case of immovable property is supposed to be paid by the person who is the transferee, the person who is receiving the property. So, therefore, while you have made the payment of 1% while purchasing a property from the builder, when you sell it back to the builder, he will deduct the 1% and pay it to you. Just one note over here that TDS needs to be deducted only in case the property value is more than 50 lakhs.
Right. So, essentially you're saying that whether I buy it from the developer or whether I sell it to somebody, the TDS has to be paid.
Yes.
So, every time the property is sold, if it is over 50 lakh rupees, TDS has to be paid, and that's a key takeaway coming for you right on top of the show over there. 1% TDS has to be paid on any transaction on immovable property. That is if the property value is over 50 crore rupees. And Ashish, how long do you have to make the TDS payment?
So the TDS payment will need to be made within the 7th of the next month. It's fairly simple procedure. There is a form 26QB available on the income tax website. You can take a printout of that, fill it up, and deposit the tax to the government.
So even if I were to buy, say, property on the 30th, I would have to ensure that the TDS is paid within the next 7 days.
Right.
So 7th of every month is the deadline to pay your TDS. So you have to pay the TDS within the 7th of the next month after you purchase that property. Also remember, buyer has to pay the TDS.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.